Hi, welcome to this example of how to prioritize vulnerabilities using the world's largest malware dataset, VirusTotal. We are going to focus on the top vulnerabilities used by ransomware exploits in the last half a year. First, we are setting the query for samples classified as ransom and exploit and limit our research to recent samples. Executing our query, we will look for the last submission date to VirusTotal of each sample, storing the results in our data structures. Finally, we have to select how many vulnerabilities we want to plot. In this case, we have chosen to plot the top 5 vulnerabilities by number of unique samples. The following plot is offering us insightful understanding of the ransomware landscape. Of these top 5 vulnerabilities used by ransomware, 4 are Windows vulnerabilities. Both the blue and yellow vulnerabilities affect the SMB protocol. If we are worried about ransomware or any other kind of malware, you can use VirusTotal to gather information proactively to defend your organization and respond to incidents in the most efficient way. Thank you for your attention, and happy hunting!